Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys the products from Anomaly. So Priyanka Chopra Jonas has launched hair care products, which is really exciting. But before I start with this video, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty videos. So if this is your thing, then definitely click that subscribe button to don't miss out on videos like these. So Priyanka Chopra Jonas, she is one of my absolutely favorite actresses in Bollywood and in Hollywood. So she has brought out her own brand, which is her hair care brand, which is really exciting, and it was really unexpected when she has launched it on Instagram. Like, I was like, what? Wait, hang on a minute. Is this actually Priyanka's brand and she launched it and stuff? So I did my research and I did get into the products and the whole sustainability, the whole kind of concept and purpose of the brand is really inspiring and beautiful. So her hair is her own crowning glory. When it feels soft and it looks vibrant and healthy, she knows that she's going to have a great day. So the brand is called Anomaly. Anomaly. I hope I pronounced correctly, don't come at me guys. So they have a mission statement, which is like quality hair care without compromise. They have created high performance and environmental friendly, conscious and clean formulas, and because they also are in the beauty category, so they have spent less on packaging to spend more on superior class leading formulas. So their formulas are very high quality. It has a global impact. Their bottles are using 100% plastic trash so that they can be in the part of the reducing amount of new plastic which is consumed daily in our day-to-day lives. And it also got a modernizing category. So beauty is the huge statement. However, we have to choose what defines us, and we are here to create our best hair days. So this is the kind of mission statement of the brand. So the huge marketing on the brand is the packaging. They have, like, honestly, the packaging is made off of 100% plastic trash. So it's really great to see a brand to do something like this. I'm sure other brands do it as well, but they honestly highlighted in bold that their packaging is zero packaging and it's only 100% plastic trash. So this is one of the mission statements: to lead the world for a better, environmentally friendly, conscious brand without packaging. Use minimalistic of the plastic trash so they can use in part of the reducing sustainability. And they have honestly used no packaging. Well, there is packaging, but it's 100% plastic trash, which is great. And they're constantly looking for new ways to keep the plastic reducing from the ending up in our landfills and oceans. So it's honestly a really great thing to see. So what does Anomaly mean for Priyanka Chopra Jonas? So to divide from what's standard, normal or expected. Now two people are the same, and Anomaly Haircare was created to celebrate those differences and empower you to create your own definition of beauty. It's really nice. So as I said, their mission statement are really great, and their pillars are to superior clean formulas, best in class products without blowing your budget, involving engagement and transparency, utilizing whole plastic, 100% plastic trash in our bottles, and identify recycled cans, earth conscious packaging if they're for more sustainability packaging, for more conscious ingredient for our concerns, or more innovative formula, we'll adapt to it. So speaking all of these purposes and all of those kind of mission statements, let's talk about the products which we are all here for. So I really like, because she has only created shampoo, conditioners, a deep treatment mask and a dry shampoo. So 4 product categories, nothing more and nothing less. I think this is great, because if you are a brand and if you bring so many products all in one go, it gets a bit overwhelming. Whereas she has only brought shampoo, conditioner, a deep treatment mask and a dry shampoo, which is great. So let's start off with the shampoos, which is the first one is the gentle shampoo. I'm gonna throw the pictures right here on the screen. So the gentle shampoo is free formula, it's gentle enough for every day and leaves your scalp feeling refreshed with grapefruit and rosemary extracts. And this is there for when I'm washing my hair every single day. So this is like a gentle everyday kind of shampoo. For this shampoo, they don't have a matching conditioner. However, there are 3 different other type of conditioners which are kind of similar that you can choose for your hair needs. So this is the thing I really like. So the next shampoo we have is the hydration shampoo. It's a hydration packed shampoo, perfect for dry, dull hair, which is me, packed with aloe vera and coconut oil for nourishing cleanse. This shampoo is a very ultra nourishing shampoo, and it leaves the hair soft, shiny. It makes the hair just feel great, and it's just full of hydration, this shampoo. And again, this shampoo has no conditioner, a matching one, so you have to use your own kind of matching conditioner, which it comes in the brand. The next shampoo we have is a clarifying shampoo. So this is a charcoal based shampoo, and it removes the product and oil buildup, leaving your hair feeling weightless and voluminous. So this is a great shampoo if you want to deep clean your hair, which is kind of from the product buildup. And this charcoal is insanely cleansing. Charcoal is of course an insanely great, an amazing ingredient to have any kind of beauty product. So having it in a shampoo is great. Does other brands do like a clarifying shampoo with charcoal? I don't think so. There's nothing in my mind right now. But this is great to see to have it in a shampoo. And now we have the conditioner. So the first one we have the volume conditioner. It's a weightless formula made with bamboo and rice water for hair that looks and full and lifted. So if you want your hair to be full of like volume and stuff, this would be great. And if you have extra bristle, then this would be also a great one, especially if you want to quick zhuzh me up and quick like volume, then this would be a great volume conditioner. The next conditioner we have is the shine conditioner. So it's anything but basic conditioner made with mumuru butter and jojoba oil for soft shiny hair. So this leaves your hair super shiny, soft and moisturized from the scalp. So again, this would be great to kind of impact to the shampoos that you want. So it's a great conditioner. The next conditioner they have is the smoothing conditioner, and this is the secret weapon for control frizz. It's infused with argan oil and quinoa for silky strands. And this is like again an everyday conditioner that you can use and makes your hair super moisturized because of the argan oil. So there are 3 shampoos and 3 conditioners. Now moving on with the deep conditioning treatment mask, which is really exciting, and only is one product. So this rich mask gives dry, damaged or overworked hair the R+R and reserved with a blend of castor seed and avocado oil to lick in moisture. So this is a rich condition treatment which really helps to bathe your scalp and your hair in moisture, and it's amazing for a self-care ritual, and it gives a very nice shiny bouncy hair. And it's just a treatment mask which is nice and different. So again, the avocado and castor are really great in moisture known in the hair care products. And the last product we have is the dry shampoo. So it's a quick fix for days when you need a refresh in between washes, formulated with rich starch, which is the rice starch, and tea tree oil. So it's a very interesting combination that the tea tree oil is a dry shampoo. Have never seen that before. And it's because that if you don't have time for washes, then the dry shampoo is great to zhuzh up your scalp, give a nice freshness to the scalp. And if you're really busy, then this will also give you nice moisture as well. What I really like about the brand is because that she has very used amazing ingredients in their products. So they're really good and high known quality formulated ingredients. So there's aloe vera, there's argan oil, there's avocado oil, there's bamboo extract, there's castor seed oil, there's charcoal, there's coconut oil, there's eucalyptus, grapefruit, jojoba oil, quinoa, rice starch, rice protein, rosemary, and tea tree oil. So these are kind of very healthy looking ingredients to have in a haircare product, and they have a huge like a no list on their website that they haven't used these kind of ingredients in their products. So it's a huge no for the brand, and they have a really great clean promise on the brands because there's no parabens, there's no mineral oils, and it is vegan and cruelty free. So there's no animal testing in there, and which is honestly great. So you guys see that these products are really highly sourced and made in very clean, promised sustainability way. At the moment, you will only find Anomaly in the US. I'm really jealous that all the people in the US have it first. People in the UK, like me, we have to wait till we get the products because they have promised they will have the products available internationally. So at the moment you will only find it in the US and Target. And yeah, as I said, I'm really jealous. You can order it online on Target, but because of the whole shipping and stuff, because of the current situation, I can't. So this only retails for $5.99, which is insane. Like, it's $5.99. So the price of it, as she has mentioned, it doesn't have to cost you a bank to get the products. It's amazing. I honestly thought that the prices would be much up there, like not like kind of like other higher end brands like Kara Stars, which are around 20 or 30. Like, I thought that this would be around 18, 19, 20, like this kind of price mark range. No, it's super affordable. It's $5.99, which is amazing to see a brand like this. So I'm beyond excited to get my hands on these products as soon as possible, as soon as they land in the UK. Alright you guys, so this was it with my reaction of the Priyanka Chopra Jonas Anomaly Haircare brand. Hope you guys all liked this video and enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a like. And as I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like these. And also do let me know in the comments which kind of hair product are you mostly excited for. I'm definitely excited for the dry shampoo and the treatment mask. To be honest, I'm excited about all the products I want to try from the brand. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one.